What's going on with you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily transfer files from your iPhone to Android and vice versa. And this method is very fast. It is super fast. This method you will just need to install an app which is free and available on both App Store and Play Store. And once you install this app, you're able to go ahead and just tap on files, videos, music apps, and whatever you want to send, and go ahead and send across Android and your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into it and I show you how you can easily send these files. So all you need to do, navigate to your Play Store and App Store respectively. So I'll go into my Play Store right here, and then I'll go into my App Store, and then for both I'll type in Xender, as you can see right here. Type in Xender, as you can see, tap on that, and then go ahead and so this is the app icon, as you can see, tap on it, and as you can see, go ahead and install if not installed already. So I already installed, so I'll go ahead and tap on open for both devices, and as you can see, you're already in your files. And as I said, you can either transfer images, music, video files, and any other files. You can connect from either from your Android or from your iPhone. So to connect, I will connect from my Android right here. So tap on the middle icon, then you can go ahead and tap on send, and once you tap on send, you will go ahead and tap on receive on this device. So tap on the middle icon, tap on send, waiting for a receiver, and they'll show you that barcode, as you can see right there. Then tap on that middle icon and tap on receive. So once you tap on receive, it will search for nearby devices. Then go ahead and tap on connect Android right here. So tap on connect Android, and as you can see, they request you to scan for this barcode. So just lift your phone and then scan for that barcode, and then tap on join. So give it a few seconds. There you go, connection successful, and I will be good to go. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you do, so give this video a thumbs up, since it helps us a lot, and also go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech videos like this. So to share files, as I said, go ahead and choose what you want to send. It could be music files, it could be, so let me say now I want to send photos. So go into your photos and then tap on the photos that you want to send. Let me say I want to send this photo right here and this one onto my iPhone. So go ahead and select them, then go ahead and tap on send. So there you go. So within a few seconds they will be already on your device. So go ahead and tap on that icon. There you go. So these are the photos that I've sent. Tap on open, and as you can see, my photos are already there. So let me say you want to send from your iPhone onto your Android. So it's the same thing. Tap on the photos that you want to send and select, and then tap on send right here. So once you select, tap on send, and there you go. Super fast. And as you can see, they will be already on your Android. So this could be your music files, it could be your video files, it could be any other file, and you'll be good to go. Alright, hope you guys learned something out of this video. If you did and you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like this video, share the video, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, make it a point to subscribe, tap that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I release new tech content like this. See you in my next video. Bye bye.